tutorial. Today I will introduce within list adjustment and settings during the machining process. First of all, make sure that you choose the right cutting parameters, such as cutting speed and fade, and adjust them according to the material of the workpiece. Next, accurately clamping the workpiece to ensure that the position of the fixture and the workpiece is stable to avoid machining errors. Then, select appropriate tool, install it correctly to ensure the best cutting effect. Finally, coordinate system and arrow point reset is performed to ensure the stability of parameters during machining. Through these fine setting and adjustments, we are able to achieve efficient and accurate machining, ensure that each workpiece meets high-quality standards. High quality and rigidity within the list. Are you interested?